Thank God for rednecks.
These are really big guns.
What's up, my bladed mother gunners?
Who the fuck is that guy?
I'm just a pecker who lives in the hills with too many guns.
So today I want to talk about how I sharpen my blades precisely. You know, anybody can sharpen a blade. But it all comes down to time, effort, energy, and precision. And what I have found is the KME system is a perfect system. Makes sharpening a breeze. But it's not why I called you here today. There's many videos on the KME system. Actually, on this one right now, I have a kangaroo leather strop pad. Not cowhide, kangaroo leather. And what I have found is a little trade secret that I wanted to share with everybody today. For those of you that want to get your blades sick sharp, hair popping sharp. So without further ado, this is how you get it done right here. This is what you want to add to any strop belt, any strop pad. 1 micron diamond spray, 5 carats per ounce. Shake well before each use, and I purposely did not shake this to show everybody what we have going on here. Go ahead and kick that up a little bit. Look at that. Lucy in the sky with diamonds, right?
Lucy in the sky with diamonds. Lucy in the sky with
Something oddly satisfying about this. Let's go ahead and shake her up like she's meant to be. You can see there, she's a milky paste. Not a paste. It still comes out the sprayer. So what you do here is you spray it on the strop pad here, let her dry, and you go to town on your blades. And that is how GNB gets his blades super wicked sharp. Fuck it! Yo, thanks for watching this shit. FJB.